Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for what you are not. Life is like playing a violin in public and learning the instrument as one goes on. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. Do not take life too seriously, you will never get out of it alive. Do stuff. Be clenched, curious, not waiting for inspirations, shove or society's kiss on your forehead. The heart, like the stomach, wants a varied diet. I tell you, in this world being a little crazy helps to keep you sane. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. Lighten up, just enjoy life. Smile more, laugh more, and don't get so worked up about things. The trick in life is learning how to deal with it. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Life is too important to be taken seriously. Get busy living or get busy dying. What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. I'm the one that's got to die when it's time for me to die, so let me live my life the way I want to. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Anyone who lives within their means suffers from a lack of imagination. Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. Begin now to be what you will be hereafter. We have to do the best we are capable of. This is our sacred human responsibility. You have as much laughter as you have faith. The brain is wider than the sky. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. A goal should scare you a little and excite you a lot. I have the choice of being constantly active and happy, or introspectively passive and sad, or I can go mad by ricocheting in between. Magic is believing in yourself. If you can do that, you can make anything happen. The world is full of magic, things patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Learn to say no to the good, so you can say yes to the best. Great things never came from comfort zones. If you want something you never had, you have to do something you've never done. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. There is nothing noble in being superior to your fellow man. True nobility is being superior to your former self. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. I want to stay as close to the edge as I can without going over. Out on the edge, you see all kinds of things you can't see from the center.